Right now, Shift tilde is a very good method. You can press Shift and then tilde, move around. But what I like to do is instead of tilde, I like to set it to F. So I want to press on Shift F and then be able to move around. So the way we can do that is press on Edit, Preferences, go to Key Map, and then click on Name. Now I'm going to search for Fly, because this is called Fly Navigation, walk/fly. And as you can see, the shortcut here is set to Shift and then tilde. But what I want to do is click here. Now with Blender tells me to press any key. So what I want to do is press on Shift F. And now I have it set it to Shift F. Now if I turn preferences off, I'm going to press on Shift F. Now I'm going to be able to move around instead of pressing Shift tilde. And another trick I showed you in modeling episodes, if you remember, is if I select an object and if I want to orbit around the object, I can press on the numpad period, the small dot on the numpad. But I don't really like to use numpad period because when I'm holding my mouse, I don't want to take my hand away from my mouse. So instead, I can use F again. And F is a very useful shortcut for me in many cases. So again, I can go back to Edit, Preferences, go to Key Map, go to Name, and then this thing, this quick zoom thing and an orbit thing is called Frame Selected. So I'm going to search here and then press on Frame Selected. And now you can see we have Dope Sheet, we have 3D view, and we have the graph editor. So I want to set the frame selected on 3D view first of all. So I'm going to go over here in the middle, which is called frame selected, numpad period. So I'm going to click here and then press on F. Now without turning preferences, I can actually test it. So I can actually select the camera, press on F. And now as you can see, I can move it and rotate it without having to take the hand away from my mouse. So from here, remember, instead of using Shift tilde or numpad period, I'm going to be using Shift F inside camera and then F to zoom in and orbit around the character. So that's what I want you to remember for the rest of the course, but you can feel free to leave the shortcuts all by default if you want to. Now I'm going to also set this on Dope Sheet. So click here, press on F, then go to the graph editor and then set this to F as well. And now I'm going to turn the preferences off.